Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration log x to the power n divided by x dx. So I is equal to integration ln x to the power n divided by x dx. Okay, according to logarithmic property, here n power comes here, right? So n ln x dx. Okay, and n is constant, so we can write outside integration ln x divided by x dx. Okay, this is I. So we can substitute here ln x is any variable. Put here t is equal to ln x. Okay, so when we differentiate, we get dt is equal to ln x, we get 1 upon x dx. Okay, and exactly I wanted this one. Okay, is in the denominator like this, and dx. So I is equal to n integration ln x is t, so we can put t, and 1 upon x dx value is dt. So this is dt. Now we can integrate, and this is t, so t to the power 1 here, so 1 plus 1 2 and divided by 2 plus c, any arbitrary constant. So integration means I n t square upon 2. What is t value? T value is ln x, so we can substitute here, and upon 2 t value ln x square plus c, and this is the final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.